Hey guys, it's Ayush, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make pesto basil pasta. It's a recipe that goes really well with bruschetta with balsamic vinegar. I like to credit this recipe to my cousin Shweta. It was a genius idea, and without further ado, let's get to the ingredients.
Our first ingredient is going to be some chopped onions, and the second is going to be some bell pepper. If you don't like this, you don't have to use the bell pepper. 2 pieces of garlic should be more than enough, and a handful of almonds just for the extra flavor. You're also going to need about 2 tablespoons of salt. Sun-dried tomatoes, this is really my favorite part of the whole recipe. Basil, you can find this really cheap at Sprouts. And olive oil. I like to use the organic extra virgin olive oil, but any kind of olive oil would work. And of course, the pasta base. And then for the extra flavor, Italian seasoning, crushed pepper, and some regular black pepper.